More than 60% of rural homes in Bangladesh now enjoy the simple convenience of electric lights, thanks to the rapid electrification of rural areas since the beginning of the decade. More than 1 in 6 households rely on solar energy.
For the rural people, earlier it was quite impossible to see the lights on, and after adopting the solar home system, they are actually getting the light, and after introducing the LED technology, the price of the solar home system drastically fall.
Bangladesh now has nearly 5 million solar homes and shops, tens of thousands of biogas plants, and nearly 1 million biogas cooking stoves in use.
বায়োগ্যাসে তাড়াতাড়ি রান্না হয়, তারপরে কালি ধোয়া হয় না, লাকড়ি খুঁটি লাগে না, আবার বাইরে ফালাইলে পরে ওইটা দিয়ে সারও দেওয়া যায়, খেতে জমিতে ফালানো যায়।
Power demand is growing about 10% a year, still far outstripping supply, despite the use of renewables and heavy investment in new power plants. Analysts say the country's unreliable and inadequate power supply has hurt industry and deterred foreign investment. About 2/3 of the country's households get their electricity from the main power grid, but the government aims to increase that number to 90% by 2018 and for every household in the country to be connected by 2021. A tall order and one that raises other challenges.
How you're going to generate the power is also the sustainability question is also very critical. Remember, we only have gas. Natural gas is our source of energy, and everything else needs to be imported, and the gas reserve is depleting and getting to zero very soon.
Analysts say renewables such as solar energy should not just be a stopgap measure till the electricity grid is further expanded.
What they can do is to connect all those individual households to the grid so that that surplus power can be put into the national grid and become part of the overall country's power supply.
Helping Bangladesh fulfill its growth potential and further raising the living standards of its 160 million people. Rian Maelzer, CGTN, Bangladesh.